My name is Robert Louis Bettinger. I'm 87 now. I just had my 87th birthday. So I know that my life is getting shorter, but I'm so glad that we've come to the point where we can talk openly and provide safety for people who need LGBT-friendly housing.
I think housing is a big issue in our community, and actually because people live with a very small income, so it's hard for them to find a place, and to find a place when they feel safe, secure, and not isolated. Many of us, we don't have kids. We don't have, at that age, maybe we don't have more parents alive or family members. So it is important to have community. And I think sometimes our neighbors became part of our families. And at least in the Latino community, you know, it is our family. The neighbor is someone that you want to take care of that. So, and having this housing project, these people can be together. They can be a big family in one building.
I support Community Housing Works LGBT-affirming community in North Park. I think it would be a way to support so many of those people who are now isolated and could bring them into a safe place to live where they feel acknowledged and able to be 100% who they are.
Our LGBT seniors are often not connected so well to their communities when they're older. And a safe place to live for them is extremely important for their mental health and their total health and well-being, so that they can live out their years in a place that feels good and they know they'll be treated respectfully and with people who share things that they like as well. Especially for our transgender seniors who don't really have a lot of places where they're accepted and feel safe in housing. And LGBT-friendly housing for seniors would be amazing for my trans community.
Community Housing Works is a San Diego-based nonprofit organization committed to helping people move up in the world by providing opportunities for people to find apartment homes that they can afford. About 5 or 6 years ago, we were invited to participate in a senior housing committee that the LGBT Center started here. Out of that committee came the center's initiative to do a study. There are many people that study identified in the LGBT community that don't have family support. There's no one to take care of them. There's no one to watch out for them, to pick them up and take them to the hospital. We started working and talking to the center about we need to create some LGBT-affirming housing in San Diego.
The San Diego LGBT Center has been around about 40 years. It's special because there are not a lot of places where the LGBT community can come and have a safe place where they can interact with one another and get the services that we provide. The LGBT seniors are really excited about the community because it affords them the opportunity to be together, to be in a place where they can interact with people that understand each other.
Discrimination happens, and I'm very happy to see this project go up at Alcona Boulevard and Texas, because it is going to be one of the first places that community in a true sense can really happen. It's one thing to have community where you go have a meeting once a month. It's another thing to live with the people on a daily basis. Because the support that they receive there, the love that they would receive there, you can't always get on your own. So to me, that's the value in having this kind of place.
Well, I think it's very important, especially in this day and age, that it's all-inclusive, because historically different parts of our community have been isolated and not a part of the bigger picture, and especially when it comes to social service and when it comes to housing, everybody needs a place to sleep. Everybody should be entitled to a place to sleep, you know, and unfortunately the transgender community has often not been a part of the bigger picture of success and access and jobs and things of that nature. So I think to have the senior housing affirming space for all people, including transgender people, would be phenomenal. learning how to live this glorious, wondrous, golden part of my life. You know, and to know that I'm still here, and to know that they're still here, and how we all deserve, at this time of our life, to have a safe, affordable place to sleep.
I hope that before I die, I get to see and participate in some of the activity in the future LGBT housing. It would be a nice ending to my life.